Updated Electrode module. There are a lot of new features in Electrode module in ZW3D 2020, making the EDM, Electrode Discharge Machining design, a much easier job. First, Electrode module has its own configuration. The creation mode, round rule, and shape details can be customized here. You can also set the preferences for EDM drawing style, Electrode's naming rules, template files, and the engraving text. Next, let's take a look at the new commands, and start with Dynamic Circle. It creates a visual circle that always aligns with the current view, so that you can make a quick decision to create an electrode at a specific location or not. Electrode blanks can be created in batches by the new feature, Electrode Blank in Batches, while in the previous versions, only one blank can be created at a time. Electrodes that are not created by Electrode command can also work as normal ones after they get the correct datum points by Electrode datum point and attributes by Electrode attribute. Engraving text on each electrode is not an annoying job anymore, thanks to the new electrode engraving function. So far, electrode design is done in a much faster and easier way than before.